Great Sand Dunes camping adventure. Smile, Marcia.
Butter!
that we thought was cheese.
It looked like cheese.
You can get a good action shot of these vegetables. Hold on.
Ooh.
Ready?
This is Camping Cooking 101.
They all make it into the pot. Should we put them all in?
We saw the whole thing.
Yeah, that's true. We might as
This
well.
is all we're eating for dinner, by the way. Vegetables for 11 people. We're going on a diet.
Zucchini, mushroom, bell pepper, tomato, onion.
And then we've got some fire action over here.
That's right. What it is, yo. See that?
Burn, baby. Oh, oh.
Burn, baby, burn. Can you leave it? Sorry, I'm just trying to like. Yeah.
Then we have the magnificent sand dunes right next to our campsite.